Hello. We will be showing a brief overview of HelpSide's employee portal and the functions available to both employees and managers. This portal is where you can view your payroll and tax documents, make changes to your personal information, hire and terminate employees, and many other things. To log in, you'll go to our website at helpside.com. Then hover over the top right option labeled Employee. A drop-down will appear, and you will click the option Employee Portal. This will take you to the login screen. Enter your credentials and log in. Credentials are provided at onboarding. If current clients need assistance, they can reach out to HelpSide's CSM team. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard screen. You will be able to see at a glance information like PTO balances, pay history, common links, frequent documents, and outstanding tasks. Outstanding tasks are items an employee or manager needs to take action on. Emails are also sent out with reminders to complete these tasks. For employee security, their pay information is blurred unless they mouse over it. Let's start with the employee portal. Click on the Employee Portal drop-down, and additional options will display. In Personal, you can view and change your personal information, view employment information, update emergency contacts, change direct deposits, adjust federal and state W-4s, input driving information if applicable, update your login information, and view previously signed documents. In addition to adding a direct deposit account, we also have a link to sign up for a Wisely Pay card. These cards are an alternative to bank accounts if you don't have an account. Under Payroll, you can see your paycheck history. This section has some helpful charts and information. This is also where you will download copies of your pay stubs. Payroll Annual Summaries has some charts and helpful information as well. You can also view past years if the data exists. Compensation Summary displays your tax withholding information and breaks down your pay into all possible increments. The pay amount for your company's chosen pay period is displayed in orange. Tax Documents is where your W-2 will be uploaded once it is created and available. The next section, Time Off, displays PTO information. Not all companies manage their PTO through HelpSide, so there may not be information displayed here. If your employer uses Our Time Clock, we have a link here to request time off. Under Benefits, there is a summary of your benefit, the plan details, including contribution amounts, summary of your 401k, FSA or HSA, dependents and beneficiaries. Information and forms will link you back to the HelpSide website, where you can find helpful forms, information, and instructions. During open enrollment or during qualified event periods, you can complete your benefits enrollment here. External Tools provides another location with links to our benefit information. There's also a place to search for network providers and a link to our document library. Next, we'll look at the Manager portal. Employee management provides some useful tools for managers. You can proxy in as an employee, view some of their details, submit a pay rate change, and view previously signed documents. Onboarding management is where you start the process to hire new employees or view progress for employees who have not finished their onboarding process. You can also edit some of the details input by you when the request was started, or delete an onboarding in progress if you decide not to move forward with the candidate. Onboarding bulk upload is a tool created to help you hire many employees at once. You simply download an Excel spreadsheet, fill it out, and then upload it back into the same page on our platform. Employees can be terminated through the offboarding request. This process is automated to get documents to your HelpSide team as quickly as possible to ensure a smooth offboarding process for you and your employee. Previously processed requests are available for reference and view on this screen as well. Many business owners utilize QuickBooks. HelpSide has built a tool to map your payroll to general ledger accounts and create an export file. In deduction authorization, a manager can submit a request to have an item deducted from an employee through payroll, whether it be a recurring deduction, loan, or one-time payment. To remain compliant with payroll laws and regulations, employees must sign and agree to these deductions. When Create New Payroll Deduction is clicked, it begins a process that will email the form to the employee to sign. Once signed, it will be sent to the payroll specialist for review and setup. Upon completion, these forms are stored and visible to both employees and managers. Finally, we'll look at Company Portal. This tool is only available to individuals set up as a company administrator. In company settings, you can view the company benefits group and which employees are under each group. Company administrators are able to view, edit, delete, and create organizational levels within the company, such as departments, divisions, jobs or positions, and worksite locations. If your organization operates with a union, the union contract can be uploaded here. Union setups can be complex, so once uploaded, our support team will need to begin a setup process that may require more information from you or the union. Under Company Communications, the first option is Document Management. If your company has its own employee handbook, you can upload and store that here, as well as any other documents you would like to save in our portal. Documents uploaded here are left at your discretion, and you can view, edit, delete, or archive them. In Announcements and Messages, you can create a message displayed to the employees of your company on the dashboard when they log into the employee portal. You can add a subject, message, assign a priority, and choose a date for the message to disappear. Just like Announcements and Messages, you can have helpful links for the company displayed on the employee's dashboard when they log into the employee portal. You can also edit or delete existing links. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about HelpSide's employee portal. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we will be happy to assist you. Options to contact us are available on the contact section of our website, helpside.com.